Engineer a Celebrity: How to Use Visibility Marketing to Stand Out from the Crowd and Achieve an Explosion of Growth for Your Business is published. So let's start off with the word celebrity. What does celebrity mean? Well, it doesn't mean that hundreds of millions of people have to know about you and follow you online. What it means is that you're well known and you're famous to the people that follow you, that you're a leader to your tribe, that you are known in your own niche. And it's open to anyone, including those who have a small following. Now, over the years, I worked with many great clients, and I noticed why some were stuck in their business and they weren't really going anywhere, and others were really excelling and they were growing, and they're getting those speaking engagements and they were bringing in the profits. And what I noticed is that the people who were stuck, they were using just traditional marketing. Well, the people who were really excelling, they were using both traditional and celebrity marketing. And it was my job, to set up, as someone who was there, I was setting up their content for them online. So I saw what was working and wasn't working. And from there, I began to crack the code, and I cracked the code of celebrity marketing, and I came up with my own system. And as new people sought out my services, I would use this system for them to grow their businesses. Now, the people that I work with, they saw growth, and I want to share with you what I use, these tools that I use for them to become basically celebrities in their tribes. And I'm giving you my secrets, and I'm sharing you what to do and how to become a celebrity and how to get those podcasts and how to get those speaking gigs. I'm known also, for a direct, say it like it is style, and that's how I wrote the book. So I'm giving you throughout the book, these point blank strategies and these tools and how I used for my clients, and I'm letting you use them. I'm sharing with you my secrets and my very own system so that you too could achieve what they've achieved and grow your own business. So head on over to Amazon and get the book.